Hi, I'm Peter from Bergman Autocraft, and I just want to go over our basic bolt-in steering box kits for Mopars. First of all, our kits are based on Borgeson's latest one-piece casting steering boxes, no more welded brackets. This is a really nice clean casting that fits the K-frames without any modification. Where we come in, we started making the proper fittings for the pressure and the return, so you can use your factory hoses, and we have our coupler which allows installation without cutting your steering column. So in each kit, which is available in small and large sector, you will get the coupler which bolts on and slides on just like this, all the way down, locks down with a set screw. We also supply all of the rebuild kits, the guts for them, so you can rebuild, or in some cases you can reuse some parts that you have if they're in good condition. We make two different fittings which adapt the metric flare to SAE. We make a 1/4 inch for 68 and earlier, and we make a 5/16 for 69 and later. This is our return tube, which is on the proper side here, and this kind of mimics the original location on the factory boxes. So essentially you can bolt these in without modifying a single thing. Give us a call, text, or email bergmanautocraft.com or bergmanautocraft@aol.com with any questions. Thank you.